Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. This is one of the most beautiful cutting boards I have ever seen in my life.
Spice's Home Decor has made this gorgeous hand painted acacia wood cutting board. It is such a large, generous size. It is about 10 by 21 and it is so nice and thick. It makes the most beautiful charcuterie board, but also I just love having cutting boards around my kitchen as decoration, and this one is a showstopper. It is so intricately painted, and you can really tell that a lot of love went into making this product. I love that it also has these really great feet on the bottom to keep it nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. They have such beautiful items that are all hand painted from India, and I am just so happy with this cutting board. I cannot decide where to put it because it just looks so good everywhere I place it.
Whether you use this as a charcuterie, a gift, or wall decor, it is so beautiful. Anyone would be so happy to have it. I know I am, and that's my point of view.